How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to a balmy 27 degrees. This is a repair video for 2007 Ford Explorer. They used to call them Exploders because the engines would explode on the earlier models, not this one. All right, so right down here we have a 3/8 ratchet on our tensioner, and we push down on this. It's going to loosen the belt. We're going to slide it off of the tensioner, and then we can undo this bolt right here and take the tensioner off. The tensioner at the bottom. Oh, I got it. All right, so we have the belt off of the tensioner. Now we just need to undo this bolt right here. It's a 13 millimeter. All right, we got the bolt loose. We're pulling it off. It's probably 12 feet long, so update you guys when we get it off. All right, we got the old tensioner off. You can see the hole right there where the bolt goes in, just like so. We've got the new tensioner here. We'll put this back on. One bolt. New tensioner in, and we got it torqued down to 420 inch-pounds or 35 foot-pounds. And we just need to put the belt back on. And just like that, that's how you replace a tensioner pulley on a 2007 Ford Explorer. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you next week.